Ça enregistrait pas. Hi, so I'm really excited to see you today for a new video, and today we're gonna talk about skin. Because okay, if you put lots of makeup, or if you just have a skin like me with like beautiful things like blackheads or kind of any beautiful thing that you can have on your face. Yeah, it can be very interesting to have something to purify your skin, and so I wanted to make a serum with like a few kinds of oils and essential oils to help like to regulate the sebum of the skin and to purify the skin, to regenerate also, I hope it's English, to regenerate the skin. Okay, so first I wanted to put some vegetable oil of Nigel, I hope it's English also, which is like can help to fortify and purify the skin, and it's very it's really appreciated for like skin kind of like this. And also I wanted to put some vegetable oil of Jojoba, I hope that I'm saying it well, and can help to have a protection and also like can balance the skin. I hope that is the good way to say it, but okay. And after, so for the essential oil, I wanted to put tea tree because okay, I think that now we know that tea tree is like a very good essential oil for a lot of things. It can help for the teeth, for the skin, etc. So okay, pretty nice. For the serum, it will help to purify again and to fortify the skin. Okay. So after we have lavanda essential oil. I think this one I'm gonna put like more than any others because it helps to purify, of course, to repair the skin, and it soothes the skin, so it's pretty nice also. And after, okay, Ylang Ylang, I hope it's the good way to say it also. It's help to balance the skin and every like sebum and all those things, so pretty nice for any issue of that kind. And after we are gonna have geranium essential oil. It's have few interesting things, but the most important is that it will help to repair the skin. And so for the last ingredient, we're gonna have put E vitamin, and it will help to keep well the oils, and also can help a little bit for the skin to like smooth it a little bit also. And okay, it's totally optional, but I wanted to try it, so I'm also gonna add a little bit of sparkling powder, like to see if we can have a beautiful glow after it. So okay, let's get started. Okay, so now that we are here, first of all what you're gonna do is take rubbing alcohol and purify all your tools to make sure that nothing bad can go in the serum. Okay, so now that this is done, we can start. So we're gonna start with the Nigel oil. I'm gonna put 27 grams. And now I'm gonna put the jojoba. We're gonna put this in the bowl. With that we have both the two vegetable oil. We can just like mix a little bit to make sure that the two oil mix well. And then we're gonna add the essential oil. So let's go. I'm gonna put 45 drops of lavanda. now I'm gonna mix again. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the tea tree. So for the tea tree I'm gonna put 20 drops. Now the same for the geranium, I'm gonna put 20 drops. Now I'm gonna put the Ylang Ylang, so 15 drops. And now I'm gonna mix again. So I'm gonna put 5 drops of E vitamin. I'm gonna mix very well to make sure that every ingredient has well get together. And now we're gonna add the sparkles. Oh, I don't know what's gonna how it's gonna end up, but okay, let's try. So I'm gonna put a little bit and see how it ends up. I hope you can see it well. Oh my god, look at that. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so it's totally optional, but I add 3 spoons of 0.05 milliliters, so like really a little bit, just to add some few sparkles. And now, as you can see, it's very nice. Now I have put alcohol in the bottle to make sure that it's really clean, and also in this. And now we're gonna transfer the oils in the bottle. So, okay, I hope it will go well. Let's go. And so now that all this is done, I'm gonna just close it and so like I'm gonna show you how it gets. So just put a little bit and oh, it's so nice. And look at the sparkles, really nice. So yes, I'm pretty sure that I will love it for the morning and the night before sleep. It will be very nice. Okay, so I hope that you've enjoyed to do this beautiful serum with me. So if you have any question, you can just ask it in the comment below. I will answer with pleasure, and I will put the full recipe on the video, of course, with like all the precise amount of each ingredient. Okay, so actually I'm so happy of this serum because I know that it will like help with blackheads, spots, and I hope so with tighten the skin pores. I hope that it's English what I just say. But yes, and hopefully with the little sparkles that I add, I'm gonna have a beautiful glow. So we will see. And okay, so I hope that you've enjoyed, and if you want to have other experience with me to make your own cosmetics, you can just subscribe here. I'm planning to do a lot more. So see you very soon, and of course take care. Bye bye.